In this Sailing Doodles, we get some beach time and continue our exploration of the U.S. Virgin Islands. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby, Taylor, and Punky. In the last video, we rescued our dinghy off of St. John, did some boat repairs, and then had some good times with other cruisers. Well, after 3 weeks of more or less being stuck on the boat.
Quarantined isolation.
Yeah, I know we didn't have it near as bad as a lot of you guys, so I feel bad for you guys that were stuck in your apartment for like 30, 40, 60 days.
Yeah.
So sorry, but at least we were only really stuck on the boat for 3 weeks, and you know, it's not a bad place to be.
Yeah. We were responsible though. We
yeah.
just kind of, basically the only thing we could do was swim around the boat because the beaches were closed
right.
and everything. But now things are slowly starting to reopen, so we're feeling a little more adventurous, and we're gonna go and have some breakfast on the beach.
So we're actually, because you guys don't know as well, but I mean, like, we've had to, you know, cook our own meals and, oh, sorry. So we've, you know, been cooking our own meals, doing our own dishes all for 3 weeks. We don't have a dishwasher, so we're washing everything by hand. So
it's like a full day. It's like cooking, cleaning, dishes.
All right, so let's go have somebody else cook for us. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
And again, we're gonna paddleboard in.
Off we go.
Yeah.
I've got my mule.
Yeah, right.
Taking me to land.
There are mules here.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded just like.
So this is Bikini's Beach Bar. Normally, this place, like right now, this would be their high season. They said that there'd be maybe 100 people on the beach, you know, so all these little chairs, see how they're all stacked up, would be filled with people, you know, all the cruisers coming in, people that are renting houses on the island and stuff like that come down here and hang out. I mean, because look at this water, it's gorgeous, right? And they have all these, you know, kayaks and paddle boards and everything for rent, and good food and good service. Right now, I mean, you know, there's 5 of us on the beach. It's because they only opened up the beaches a few days ago, and they only open up the restaurants like today. Not all of them, it's only like, you can't sit down at a table, they got to take it to you on the beach. But hey, it's a step in the right direction.
You broke the coldness somehow.
It's a pretty great spot with lots to do, and of course you cannot beat the view. We're gonna head around the other side of St. John, go to St. Francis Bay, Maho Bay. We haven't been over there yet. It's really pretty. We're gonna go 3 miles offshore first and dump our tanks because they're full. And then, I don't know, another day at the beach or something. Not much else to do right now. Many cruisers consider this their favorite spot in all the USVI, Maho Bay at St. John.
Water aerobics time.
So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here in Maho Bay, they have noodling, which we believe is water aerobics with a noodle.
Noodling and doodling.
And so yeah, the doodles are gonna noodle with the, hey, I'm getting old, but I'm not that old yet, but we're gonna go give it a shot. See how it does. We'll bring a little GoPro along with us. I don't know how well the audio will be, but give it a shot. And then we're gonna go, the beach bars are opening up, well, restaurants. So we're gonna do that for lunch and then go for a hike. Like our most eventful day in like 3 or 4 weeks.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah, so let's go do it.
So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah.
We got a pre-workout in with a 10-minute paddle over to the bay where everybody was doing the aerobics. So what were your thoughts on the workout?
Well, the doodle noodling was actually, it was fun. It was nice to just kind of be in the water, get a little bit of exercise, nothing too crazy. But it was nice to be able to just kind of talk to some other cruisers at a safe distance. We were all like 10 feet apart from each other.
Yeah.
But a lot of these other people are leaving around the same time as us. So
it'd be good to know them on the sail because we'll all, hey, oh, that boat. So yeah, it's cool. It was a nice social thing. And it was a decent little workout. I mean, you're not going to get like ripped or anything. But you know,
at least you're not sitting here on the boat doing nothing, right?
Might stay in shape. Go the weight
okay. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go for lunch.
Yeah. One thing I thought about doing when I first got this boat, and I was kind of talked out of it, but I was getting rid of this staysail. We've used it once. We didn't even really need to use it. We got a furling genoa, so I mean, we can roll the genoa up and you know, have a little less sail out using that. It's not as efficient, I know, but a lot of our deck space is taken up by this. If we had this up out of here, it would be a lot more space for hammocks and doing whatever.
Well, and especially like trying to organize lines and even like throwing lines, you have to like crawl underneath this thing and then go in between and over, and it's just kind of in the way.
So we are going to take it down. We have to raise the sail and then lower it and fold it up, and then we'll put the sail away up in the forward hold. And then we're going to take the boom off and we'll just secure it to the side. And then we'll have a lot more space up here for hanging out. All of our sails are made by Precision Sails, and we've been really happy with them so far. We love our Precision Sail, it's just we're not using it, so we're going to take it down. Store it away.
Keep it in good condition.
So now that that's down, we just got a lot more space up here. We never used it anyway, so now more room for activities.
It's hammock time.
Should be all right.
So far, so good. All right.
All right, what do you think?
Can even fit 2 of us.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a double nest, it's called.
Not bad.
Yeah.
I've been wanting this since the beginning. And now it's 3?
No, let's not try 3.
Try it, Punky.
Y'all 2 can get in.
I think you can fit up here.
Y'all 2 can get in. Oh yeah, be careful standing on that. Don't stand on that. That plastic's pretty brittle.
It's almost better with 2 people because it holds it open. Yeah. It looks so funny. It looks like you're like a baby. The body bag. You look like a baby in a womb.
I am missing my reflection, and every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama
All of the U.S. Virgin Islands are a special place, but Maho Bay is in particular. It has beautiful water, beautiful sunsets, beautiful beaches, and it's a great cruising community. guys, check it out. We got swag. Head over to sailingdoodles.com and click Get Merch, and it takes you to our online shop where you can get lots of great items like shirts, mugs, flip-flops, pillows, neck gaiters, anything you'd like. So pick up some of yours today.